guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a kind of chit chat current favorite products video. This is anywhere from like skincare, makeup to clothes, just anything that I've been loving lately. But before we do get started with this video, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel down below. Give this video a thumbs up. But I guess I'm just gonna start off with skincare. I only have like 2 skincare products in here that have been my favorite lately. So the first thing is this face mask. This is from Soap and Glory. Actually, I heard such amazing things about this, but I don't think they sell it in America, so I ordered it off Amazon. But if you guys live in the UK, I'm sure this is really easy for you guys to find. But this is the Fat Pore 2-in-1 facial mask and peel. This smells so amazing. First of all, it smells like minty, like a mint chocolate ice cream type of thing. Literally smells so good. It's definitely a different scent though, whether love it or hate it, but I have been loving this. This actually isn't a peel mask. I don't know why it says that. It's just a regular mask, but this helps out so much with any acne. I've been using it lately because I ran out of my other one that I really love. But yeah, this is so good for acne. It says it right in the name. It's for like your pores, clears out your pores. And not only that, but the one thing that like stands out to me about this mask is that after I use it, my skin literally feels so soft. Like, it's incredible. I've never used anything that made my skin feel this soft. It's not even like it's exfoliating. It's like it literally just like peel. 2-in-1 face mask and peel. Oh my god, I get it now. But yeah, it almost like peels off that layer of your like dead skin or whatever, which sounds really gross, but yeah, it makes your skin so soft. Like, I can't even describe it. You guys just have to try it. It's so good. So the next one is the Derma Purifying Youth Serum, and the reason that I love this is because I use it before I apply makeup. Not as like a primer, but like as a moisturizer before I do my makeup. Whenever I use this, the lines, like I have little creases usually under my eyes within like a few hours after I do my makeup, and this stops it for some reason. It's almost like it like plumps your skin automatically, and like I don't get these smile lines right here or under my eyes when I do use this. And it has nothing to do with priming. I honestly think it's just the serum. It's a serum basically, but it's really moisturizing. It makes your skin super plump and just moisturized and like supple, and it's amazing. I love this. Okay, I only have 1 hair product, so this is the Caviar Style Concrete Extreme Definition Clay. Basically what this is for is like when you want a super sleek bun or a super sleek ponytail. For me, I have like the frizziest hair. It takes me forever to get it to like calm down and stick straight and just look like sleek, you know? And this is amazing. Kind of basically just like edge gel, whatever, but it's not. It's like a clay. I don't know how to describe this, but oh my god, I can't open it. Why can't I open this? But it looks like this. It's just this little purple bottle right here, and what I do is I take it on a toothbrush, comb it back so my hair looks super sleek. It just straightens out any bumps. And the thing about this that makes it different from any other like edge gel is that it's matte, so it does not leave your hair looking shiny or greasy. It is a matte clay, so it just like sleeks it all back without making your hair look too shiny, unless you like that look. But I personally don't, because since I have blonde hair, if my hair looks shiny, then people automatically think it's greasy. So yeah, I have to use a matte one. Iced vanilla latte with almond milk. Okay, so my next favorites, these are really random things, but my next favorite is lavender oil. I am so obsessed with lavender oil. There's something about it, like the scent is just so calming. I put this on my pillows, I put it on my neck throughout the day as perfume. So I recommended this on Snapchat, and a lot of you guys said you tried it out. And basically the reason that I recommended this is because of anxiety, and there's something about the aroma of lavender oil that is really calming. So if I'm ever like stressed out, I start to get anxiety, usually social anxiety for me, I usually will just wear lavender oil throughout the day if I'm like anxious, and it just calms me down. If you guys do have anxiety, this will like minorly help you. I'm not saying this is like a huge solution, but it definitely does calm me down, especially when I'm trying to fall asleep. I usually have a hard time falling asleep at night because I'm just like thinking a lot, you know what I mean? So I put this on my pillows and it helps me fall asleep a lot better. So Next random thing, this is the last random thing, I promise. This is the Kiss Maximum Speed Nail Glue. Listen, you guys, if you wear acrylics, you need this with you at all times, no matter where you're going, okay? Yeah, just go to your drugstore, buy this, keep it in your purse, because I promise you guys will thank me later. You have to be careful with it because it was really strong. I cannot tell you how many times I've like glued my fingers together. Okay, so now on to my makeup favorites. So my favorite primer right now is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Purifying Primer. I love this so much. It's just a minimizing pore primer. It's so smooth and like silky on your skin. It does not dry me out whatsoever. It just leaves your skin literally like velvety, all pores filled, just like totally airbrushed and smooth. It's literally the best. I have been loving the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I'm so late on this bandwagon, literally probably like 3 years late, but I'm so obsessed with this. The coverage is amazing, the finish is amazing, and it also lasts me so long. I wore this one day from like, I think it was like 9 to 6 or something, which is a long time for me, and for some reason it literally did not crease whatsoever. It did not get patchy or flaky or just kind of like come off. The only thing I really noticed was a little bit of oiliness, and that's because I remember I didn't set my face that well that particular day because I thought it was gonna be really cold and I wouldn't need to, but apparently not. So yeah, this stuff is amazing. It lasts so long. So next, I'm pretty sure you guys saw this coming, the MAC Patrick Starrr. Why do I say it like that always? Patrick Starrr. I can't say it any other way. Sorry, Patrick. But this is the setting powder. I am so in love with this. It's honestly a little bit better than the Laura Mercier one, which you guys know has been like the best setting powder for like as long as I can remember. But in my opinion, this is kind of already topping it. It's a lot more fine, just a lot more lightweight on this skin, so it does not make my skin look dry whatsoever. I have a really oily T-zone, and this stops all the oil from coming through. Also, it does kind of have a really nice brightening effect, nothing too major, but it does really brighten in the areas where you apply it. Another current favorite, I have fallen in love with this sponge. I never thought I would ever say that a sponge topped beauty blender, and this is the Morphe Sponge. This is the one that kind of has this shape to it where it has like two little flat ends where it points, and then just like the regular little teardrop thing. But I love this just for like the shape. So it gets right underneath your eyes so well. Another thing I love for like this shape is getting around my eyebrows. This is something I've always had trouble with the other beauty blender, like the original one, is getting around my eyebrows, and this you literally can get right around your eyebrows so easily with this. Yeah, I love it, and it also is so bouncy and just like the perfect texture. I love this sponge, it's amazing. So next thing are these lashes. I'm wearing them right now. These are the Makeup Shack Dubai lashes. These are probably my second favorite pair of lashes. They're just so nice. They really make your eyes look so almond, you know, like almond eye shapes. It makes my eyes look like that. It's kind of like a flared out spiky lash. See, I literally suck at describing stuff like spiky, what the fuck? But it's they just lift up my eyes a lot this way, whereas my I.AM.GIAs make my eyes look bigger and like more open, but these make my eyes look way wider and just like doe-eyed, which I really love the effect of these lashes. And I do have a discount code for you guys to save 25% on the Makeup Shack. You guys can use the code TUTORIALSBYTINA to save 25% off the Makeup Shack. The last makeup item is the Kathleen Lights Colourpop Dream Street eyeshadow palette. This has been my go-to lately. I am so in love with this palette. I think all the shades in here, she literally killed it with every single one of them. I've had it for probably like 3 weeks now, and I'm so in love with it. So here are the shimmer shades. They are so stunning. Oops. It's like it's watching, but this palette is like right up my alley. Especially lately, I've been kind of like underwhelmed with the palettes coming out recently, and this one has just been my favorite. I think she killed it with this. I would literally just take this everywhere with me because it has a really good selection. Even though there aren't that many shades, there is a lot of diversity with them. I love it. Okay, I love this palette. It's so good. That is it for my kind of beauty favorites. Now on to clothing favorites. I have been so obsessed with these sunglasses. These are the Quay. Pretty sure these are the Kylie ones. Yeah, I'm pretty sure she designed these. These are the style Hidden Hills 125. They're just like those classic, like, fuck off Kim K sunglasses. They literally cover like half your face, which I love. Oh my god, it looks so weird in the viewfinder. And they just look like so sleek. They have like these little studs right here, which I love. And they're totally like pitch freaking black, you guys. They're so intimidating and bougie and amazing. I love them. I was kind of scared when I first got them because I have kind of like a weird shaped head. Like my head is kind of small. And they do look really, really big on me. So yeah. The next thing is this hat right here. I love this hat. I'm not a hat person at all, but this is from Louis Vuitton. Like literally, I love this hat so much. I think I'm gonna wear it for the rest of the video. But so cute. I love the Louis Vuitton print right now. I feel like it's coming back. It was actually really, really hard to find this though. I got it off of eBay. I'm pretty sure they do not sell it anymore, which sucks. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I literally got like the last one in existence on the internet. Like it literally took me like an hour to find this. And yeah, you guys, this hat with these sunglasses literally says like, leave me the fuck alone. I'm too bougie to talk to you. You feel? Moving on. So my next favorite are actually shoes, and these are them right here. They're kind of just like your basic hiker boots. I don't want to touch the bottoms because I've worn these so many times, like they're actually gross. But they're super cute. They have kind of like the little rugged bottoms, which I love the look of. They're great for winter too. They go with like every single outfit. And like for the first 4 months of fall and winter, I literally just wore sneakers every day until I got these. I love these so much. I'm pretty sure these are from either Forever 21 or H&M, one of those. I'll link it down below as always. I'm not sure at the moment which one they're from, but I got them a while ago. I'll just check my order history or whatever and see. They're also really, really comfortable. Like so comfortable, it's actually insane. They have fur on the inside, so they're super warm. So my next favorite is actually the necklaces I'm wearing right now. So lately I have been loving like layered necklaces, and this is gonna sound really bad, but like crosses on your necklaces is like a trend right now. That's so annoying of me to say, but it is like this kind of like rosary mimicking chain. This is like actually 3 necklaces combined. So these 2 right here, this one and this one. Wait, this is like a layer of like 3 different ones in one necklace. These are from Windsor. This one right here, which is kind of like thicker, I got this one more recently. This is from Fawn. This is a little bit more pricey. I got this recently, but it just has like the crosses lined up, and they're really oversized, and I just really, really love these necklaces. They're like my go-to. I swear to god, I wear them every single day now. So next favorite are these crop sweaters from Pretty Little Thing. I have them in like 4 colors. I have it in the sand color. I have it in white. Right here, it's just like the perfect oversized crop sweater. These have been essential for me during the winter. So those plus this one I'm wearing right now, it just has like the perfect fit and the perfect crop, and also they're really good quality. They're not like those like cheap kind of like t-shirt crop sweaters. They're actual like sweater materials. So yeah, I just really love these. I have them in like every single color, and I want to get more. I've also been wearing them in like every single Instagram picture and every single YouTube video because I just love them. So my last favorite is actually not gonna fit in the screen, but you guys can check my Instagram to see like what they fully look like on. But these are coats from I.AM.GIA, and they're basically like these like teddy bear coats. I get so many questions on these, like when I wear them outside. I always get complimented on them. They're just like super oversized. This one is the tan one. I have it in tan and red, and they have like this like collar right here and huge pockets, which are so cute. I want to get the black one too, but I already have like 2 fur black coats, so that's not necessary. I.AM.GIA right now is just like killing it. If you guys don't own anything from I.AM.GIA, you definitely should go ahead and get some stuff because They're really, really popping right now, and they have like the cutest stuff. That is pretty much it for my current favorites. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want to see like a monthly favorites video. If you guys did enjoy it and want to see more videos like this one, make sure you guys go ahead and just give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Also turn on your post notifications if you guys want to be notified every single time that I upload. YouTube has been really weird lately. They just haven't been notifying people like when we upload, so turn on your post notifications because it'll help out a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, I will have everything mentioned listed down below. Yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.